Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A53 Plus, and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, we have to open the keyboard, and you can do it, for example, in Messages, Notes, Browser, in any kind of messaging app, whatever. Just have the keyboard on the screen like here. And all we have to do right now is to enter the settings. If you cannot find them here, no worries, 3 dots icon, and they will appear right here. You can tap on them, hold them, and drag them to this section to have much faster access. So let's enter the settings. Tap on the languages, and this is the list of all added languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on Add Keyboard. Of course, it corresponds with the language we've got set as a system language. And right here, we've got the list of all available keyboards from which we can choose. So as you can see, we've got a lot of options to choose from. Of course, you can scroll, you can simply tap on the search icon and enter the name of the language, and after finding it, simply tap. I will pick Urdu. Of course, depending on the language, you can pick the region, so just tap. And the same situation with the keyboard types. As you can see, it depends on the language and also on the device, because sometimes you have like only 1 or 2 different keyboard layouts, and sometimes you've got even up to 5 or 7 different layouts from which you can choose. So let's pretend I want to use this graphical option. So let me mark it and untick this option, because of course if you want to, you can use 2 different layouts, but I want to have only 1. So let's mark it and tap on Done. And as you can see right here, we've got 2 different languages added. And right now in this step, if you want to have only 1 language applied, you can simply tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner and, for example, remove English just by marking it and tapping on the trash bin icon. I'll show you later on how it works. We will have only Urdu then. But let me show you how it looks with 2 different languages, because it is quite interesting. We will have 2 differences in this keyboard layout, because firstly we've got this language key, the globe icon, which will allow us to change the language. So as you probably remember, I've got 2 different languages, English and Urdu, and I can easily switch between them with the usage of this language key. What is more, on the spacebar we've got the name of the language we're currently using, so we can always check, because sometimes the layouts are really similar to each other, even though they are from different languages, so you can always check which layout you've got currently applied. So, as I said, this is how to add 2 languages, and now let me show you how to remove the language, as I previously told you, explained. To be honest, I want to remove Urdu one because I will not use it, so let me tap on this edit icon, tap on the Urdu or English in your case, any language you want to remove, and tap on the trash bin icon. We've got again English left, so the spacebar is empty and we do not have the language key, which simply means that we've got only 1 language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.